How to change address on PayPal. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change address on PayPal. Let's get started. First, open the PayPal application. Now once you are in, tap on this profile icon at the top right corner. Now here tap on personal info. Now here you can see addresses. Tap on it. Now you'll need to use your Face ID to sign in. Tap on continue. Now you'll be taken to the address page right here. Now you can see edit right here. Edit it. If you want to edit the same residential address, edit it, and you can just tap on update. In this way you can update it. Now in order to add new address, you can just tap on this add new right here. Tap on it and just add new address from here. Just enter the details right here, and once you enter it, tap on save, and your new address will be added just like this. Do repeat the same process. If you want to add more address, just tap on add new and add it. And that's it. This is how you can add new address to PayPal. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.